Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Infiniti QX70. So any screen, it's on sat nav at the moment. You've got telephone on the right hand side, info and settings. It's actually setting we want, so click on setting, and then on the left hand side, navigation, audio, phone, Bluetooth. We want Bluetooth. Click on Bluetooth. Bluetooth, pair Bluetooth device, paired device list, edit Bluetooth information, replace handset. Also, you'll notice up here you've got on in Bluetooth. If you're having trouble pairing your mobile, then just make sure that that is clicked on. Make sure the Bluetooth is on, otherwise you won't be able to do anything. So we need paired device list. Now it's brought up hands-free and audio. Still not super clear as to what you do, but if you click hands-free, that brings up the name of my phone. It's the only one that's paired at the moment. We click on that, brings up another menu, connect, preferences and delete. I want to delete it, so we'll click delete. Barry's iPhone is connecting now. Delete Barry's iPhone. Audio device also deleted. Yes, that's what we want to do.
It's going south from junction at 33 for Lancaster.
Thank you. Stupid traffic information. Always comes on for something miles away that's of no interest to you when you're actually trying to do something or listen to something important. Anyway, so that's how you delete a mobile.